What's up, guys? This is RparkTV here. I got another video for you guys today. It's just a small, short little video. I got wheel spacers on my car recently, and I got these performance pack wheels all around. And I gotta say, they've been driving nice. They look great. But I got one little thing that's bothering me today. So on the back of my car, I put on 20mm spacers, and I'll show you guys. As you can see, it's dramatically sticking out, but a little too much, and it's really bothering me. Like, I like it sticking out wide, but that is too much. That is just not looking right. From the from the side angle, it looks pretty good. It's just whenever I look at it from over above, yeah, it's too much out. It's looking a little too ugly for me, so I'm gonna take these off. That's what we're gonna do today. So I'm just taking off the rest of these little bolts I have on here. They're really loose. I'm just unscrewing them by hand. Alright guys, so I got the wheel spacer off. I'm gonna hit it with some brake cleaner, and then we're gonna throw on the wheel back on. I'm just hitting this brake with some brake cleaner and wiping it off before I install the wheel back on. Here's a little quick comparison before and after. So this is before. You see how it's sticking out quite a bit, and you see how the fender looks? I don't like that. The front is flush. Now I remove the back of this, and it's sitting a lot more flush against the fender. I think that's where I want it. As you can see, the front's pretty good. Now the backs, now they're pretty good. Now it's time to get this sucker off. This gun. Having a gun makes it so much easier. Just like that. Don't want to give myself hernia here, even though I already have it pretty much. Alright, got that sucker off. Now to get this motherfucker off. Okay, I'm gonna use a breaker bar to unloosen these nuts. Oh man, I got bad leverage. What am I doing? God, these things are on here pretty tight. 120 pounds. Oh, okay. Got these suckers off. Now it's time to get the sucker off. Here you go. One wheel spacer off. And for anyone wondering how my wheel spacers come off so easy, it's because these are brand new and I just put them on like a week ago. But another good thing to keep in mind is to maybe use some anti-seize brake lubricant behind the wheel spacers so it doesn't get seized on there or stuck and corroded, and later on when you change your brake rotors or you change your brake pads or anything brake related, you won't have a fucking problem with the wheel spacer coming off. So keep that in mind. Throw back on the wheel.
Anybody else hate lining up wheels when you're on your driveway?
Me too. Alright guys, so here's the finished look with everything adjusted. It's looking pretty flush now. Well, not flush, just good in terms of where it should be lined up against the fender. I need to just lower the car now. Whenever I lower it, it'll look definitely a lot better. I'm happy with it though. Looks pretty good. Look at my dog, guys. Say hi, Happy. Hi. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Hope to catch you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Leave some video suggestions down below, please. It'll help me out a lot to make other video ideas. I'm just trying to upload as much as I can because I know a lot of you guys want me to just upload this car in general, and I'm trying to as much as I can. So, but yeah, I'm happy with it, guys. Look at that shit. Looks great.